Burning Man for me?
Yeah.
It's enlightenment. It's really like it lights up all the light in your body. The city lights up.
For me, Burning Man is a chance to express my true freedom itself.
Every time when I'm here, I can catch the moment that here and now and feel it. It's really amazing.
A chance to get to know people in a different light.
Celebration of everything that is human.
You feel like you're giving back to some community, even though it only exists for a week. It's kind of mind-boggling. That all of this effort that people put in and for just to be able to enjoy each other's company.
Today in the morning, as about 6 o'clock after sunrise, we were walking in deep Playa with my husband, and some man stopped and he asked, "Could I bless you?" And he blessed us, and he said such words that deeply touched us. And it was very simple and very like he said a few sentences on it, but it was so touching.
High baby high, low baby low. Take it or leave it, dancing. Go baby go, go baby go, go baby go.
The bicycling community within Burning Man is pretty much everybody. Everybody here is on a bike. So you have 70,000 people on a bike, and yet 5 to 10% of those bikes are people coming in here needing help. So you have the opportunity to help them.
Is it complicated to repair bikes?
Nope.
The amount of problems that people have with their bikes is crazy. I had one guy come in and he was pushing his bike and he's like, "It won't go forward." And I was like, "Why not?" He's like, "I don't know." I looked down, he had no chain on his bike. The chain was gone, it was just exploded.
Say something for burners or for people who wants to go to Burning Man in next year.
I want to wish you're not afraid of there is a lot of drugs, naked people, and some other stuff that maybe you don't like. Don't afraid, because here everybody can find what he needs, and you will feel yourself here like at home. I promise.